Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into simple, yet stunning makeup looks for everyday confidence. We all want to feel good, right? And sometimes, a little makeup can go a long way. But who has hours to spend in front of the mirror every morning? Not me. So, I'll share some easy, go-to looks that will make you feel amazing, without taking up your entire morning. Let's get started. First, the no makeup look. This is perfect when you want to look fresh-faced and effortless. You'll need a tinted moisturizer or light coverage foundation. Apply it all over your face, blending well with your fingers, a sponge, or a brush. Next, use a creamy concealer to cover blemishes or under-eye circles. Set it with translucent powder. For the eyes, use a brow gel to define your eyebrows and apply mascara. Finish it off with lip balm or a tinted lip product. Quick and easy. Next, the elevated everyday look. Start with the same base as before. Now, let's add some color. Using a matte bronzer, lightly contour your cheekbones, temples, and jawline. This will give your face definition. On your eyelids, apply a neutral eyeshadow and blend it well, and add mascara. For your lips, choose a lipstick or lip stain that complements your skin tone. Nude, pink, or peachy shades work great. This look adds more polish. Moving on, the pop of color look. Keep your base the same. Then, choose an eyeshadow color you love. A pop of blue, green, or even pink can make your eyes stand out. Apply it all over your eyelid or just in the crease. Add mascara. For your lips, keep it simple with gloss. Or choose a lipstick that complements your eye makeup. Express yourself. Finally, the 5-minute face for those mornings when you're really in a rush. Use a tinted moisturizer or a BB cream. Next, apply concealer to cover any blemishes and under-eye circles. Fill in your eyebrows with a brow pencil or gel. Add mascara, and swipe on a tinted lip balm. You're out the door. These makeup looks enhance your natural beauty. They're meant to make you feel good, not like someone else. So, experiment and find what works for you, and have fun. Be confident. You are beautiful inside and out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.